Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you install the icemaker kit components in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Make sure the freezer rack is in the lower position. Use a small flathead screwdriver to depress the tab to release the icemaker connection cover from the evaporator cover. Now have an assistant help you to roll the refrigerator away from the wall. Using a knife, cut through the rear panel decal where indicated. Fold in the cut edges of the decal and use needle nose pliers to remove the foam insert. You can now insert the new fill tube and rotate to lock it into place. Next, use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread the 3 screws to release the lower rear access panel. Insert the water line connected to the fill tube into the water inlet valve's outlet port. Remove any tape from the wire connector, then connect the connector to the terminals on the inlet valve. Align the inlet valve on the frame and thread the 2 1/4-inch screws to secure the assembly. Peel off the backing from the 2 waterline retainers. Attach one to the rear panel a few inches below the fill tube entry point, and the second one a few inches above the bottom of the rear panel. Secure the water line in the retainers. Create an access hole for the inlet valve by cutting along the perforations on the access panel. Realign the panel and secure it with the screws. Remove the cap from the inlet port on the valve and attach a water supply line to the port by threading a compression nut. Avoid over-tightening the nut. Slide the provided clamp over the water supply line and secure it to the rear panel with the right side access panel mounting screw. Push the refrigerator back against the wall. Using a small flathead screwdriver, pry out the 2 screw hole plugs from the freezer liner. Partially thread the 2 icemaker mounting screws. Align the leveling bracket on the icemaker and thread the screw loosely to hold it in place. Now connect the icemaker wire connector, then align and snap the connector cover into place. Position the icemaker on the fill tube and the mounting screws. Then tighten the screws. Level the icemaker as necessary, then tighten the screw to secure the leveling bracket. Position the ice bin on the shelf below the icemaker. Open the water supply valve and plug the power cord back in. Allow 24 to 48 hours for the ice maker to begin making cubes. We recommend cycling through several batches of ice cubes before use.